Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble liquid without dish soap. You'll learn a fantastic, easy recipe using common household items. This method helps you create amazing, long-lasting bubbles for endless fun. We'll cover the essential ingredients and simple steps to get you started right away. Get ready to mix up some magic. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir these together until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, carefully add 1/4 cup of liquid hand soap or shampoo. Remember, the type of soap matters, so experiment a little. Gently mix everything without creating too many suds. To make your bubbles even better, consider adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin. This ingredient significantly increases bubble strength and durability, making them last longer. After mixing, let your solution rest for at least 1 hour. This allows the ingredients to fully combine. For the best results, always use distilled water to avoid mineral interference. Now you're ready to enjoy your homemade bubble liquid. Experiment with different wands to create various bubble sizes and shapes. Store any leftover solution in an airtight container for future fun. It keeps well for several weeks. And speaking of keeping things fresh, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.